Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here in the third line we have a disconnect. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you click disconnect, it leaves your earbuds at the device list. And if you click unpair, it removes your earbuds from your phone. So now let's tap on it, and as you can see, it just left at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!